Start the day, smoke clouds rolling in this afternoon, high 72, 48 overnight, sunny, 77 tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds on Saturday, high 79, it is 50 right now.
Your Z forecast also being sponsored by DuckDuckGo.
So one big part of hunting is make sure you have the right gear when you go out in the woods. And for me, that means making a spreadsheet. So here's my list, and let me explain everything that I put into my checklist, what you need to bring and how you can modify this for your own checklist.
So here's the spreadsheet I created, and on the spreadsheet I have two tabs. One is this one, which is purely a checklist of items to bring, separated by groups according to different hunts. I have another tab that has more detailed things like clothes, dates, times to wake up, temperatures, things to do, notes like that. So let's start with this one. This is my kind of preparation, putting everything on one page prior to the hunt. You know, weeks, months ahead of time, things I still have to make. You know, a bow hinge to hang my bow in the tree, test out my gear, practice shooting, things like that. So that's things I still have to do or make. Some general notes like look for temperature drops when I'm looking at the weather on the upcoming days. Reminders of how to clean the deer. Reminders of things I have to do to tan the hide. A general time when I'm going to wake up and get out there and be out and ready on October 1st, opening day of bow season. Here's a checklist of things I want to do the day before opening day, carry my tree stand out into the woods. Reminders for field dressing, things like that. Here's the expected temperatures on opening day, and then here's sunrise and sunset time. So this is stuff I've done weeks in advance. And then I have a general checklist here in the middle of things I'm going to take in the woods, things I'm going to have in the car, things I'm going to have left at the cottage, just as so each group. So I'm not going to carry everything. I'll leave something in the car, leave something back at the cottage, things like that. So this is my overall kind of checklist to do months ahead of time. This right here is purely a checklist of things to bring. And I have it separated by where I can find it in the house, actually. So some things are in the basement, some things are in the garage, some things are in my office. So I can find everything because I don't keep it all in one place because some things I'm always using. For example, a flashlight I'm not going to keep with my hunting gear. I'll use that throughout the year. But again, this I have separated into things like if I'm going to be bow hunting in a tree stand, I'll need this. So if I'm not hunting in a tree stand, I don't need to really bring any of these things. Again, a bow hunting list, if I'm hunting with a gun, if I'm hunting where I need to camp out. And then hunting all my different clothes. So this might, and I have cold written down if it's cold weather, like if it's late November, December, or I have everything else for warmer hunting. And then I have my general list that I'm going to bring no matter what. So all of these things right here are a general hunting list. And then I still have it separated. So this is the unseparated list. This is the same one that you saw right here. This is that unseparated list of where I'm going to keep it when I get there, but this is the list of where things I need to bring, where they are in the house, and on different hunts. So I'm obviously not going to bring arrows if I'm hunting with a gun, and vice versa. So this can be rearranged, things can be deleted, and as you can see what I did right here is I crossed things out as I did them. So here's the two different sections of this is my preparation, and this is my day before, a few days before actual checklist. And then this is maybe when I'm out there getting ready, I'm going to say, okay, I'll leave this stuff in the car, leave this stuff at home. This stuff is coming with me out in the woods.
So I hope this list helps. Again, I print off a bunch of different copies. I'll put it with my hunting stuff, with my bow, just so I can go through and say, okay, things I have to do, my to-do list, things that I must bring, things that I bring on bow hunting, things that I'll bring on rifle hunting, things that if I'm camping out I have to bring if it's cold. So I have it in the different categories, things I can check. It's a checklist, so I can go through and say, yep, ooh, I almost forgot that tarp, things like that. So I hope this helps. Thanks.